Hello, welcome to Berries. From now on, I will explain how to install the Berries magnetic paddle shifter. First, start the engine and turn the steering wheel 90 degrees left. You will see a hole in the back of the steering wheel. Lift the right lock of the airbag using a screwdriver, then turn the steering wheel 180 degrees right to lift the left lock of the airbag. For Elantra N, there is an additional lock at the bottom. Press with the screwdriver to remove the airbag. Put the airbag on the steering wheel frame, then unscrew both sides of the genuine paddle shifter with the crosshead screwdriver and pull out the paddle shifter from the steering wheel. And disconnect the connector using the tool that came with it. Plug the connector to the Berries magnetic paddle shifter and put it back in place until it clicks. Genuine screws are not compatible, so use the provided screws to tighten the steering wheel frame both sides. Insert the airbag into place so that it is hooked on the lock. Just like that, your installation of the Berries magnetic paddle shifter is completed. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you see you again soon.